So now today's topic is types of matrices, right? I hope that you have seen the previous videos and you have gone through with the matrix and the elemental representation of the matrix. So further we are going to start types of matrices. Okay, so first of all I would like to explain you about horizontal matrix. As we are knowing that every matrix is having its particular order, right? M cross n, where M shows number of rows and n shows number of column. So in this horizontal matrix, we can see the order is n cross n, but there is some condition that M is less than n. What is the meaning of M is less than n? That number of rows are less than number of column. Just suppose we are taking one example, 2, 3, 1, 5, 4, 2. Here you can see number of rows are 2 and the number of columns are 3. So that means the number of rows is less than number of columns. So this kind of matrices is known as horizontal matrix. Now for the vertical matrix, order is m by n, but there is also some condition that m is greater than n. What does it mean? That the number of rows is greater than number of column. For example, we are taking, just suppose I have written 2, 3, 5, 6, 2, 9. Okay, in this you can see number of rows 1, 2 and 3, but the number of column 1 and 2. That means the number of rows are greater than number of column. So that means this kind of matrices are known as vertical matrix. Okay. Now next one is square matrix. The order of this matrix is m by n, but m is equal to n. That means what? The number of rows in the number of column both are equal. For example, 2, 3, 5, 6, 9, 2, 3, 2, 1. You can see rows are 3, 1, 2, 3 and number of columns 1, 2, 3. That means this is a matrix of 3 by 3 order. That means it is a square matrix. In square matrix, the number of rows and number of column are equal. Okay. So now we are talking more about square matrix. As you can see, I have written a square matrix of 3 by 3 order. Here we are talking about the diagonal. What is diagonal? The diagonal forms from the first element to the last element of the matrix is known as main diagonal or principal diagonal. What? The diagonal forms from the first element to the last element of the matrix is known as main diagonal or principal diagonal. Okay, and the elements of this diagonal are known as diagonal elements. As we can see, A11, A22 and A33. These three elements are known as diagonal elements. What? Diagonal elements. Okay. So now we are talking about types of square matrix. So first type is unit or identity matrix. As seen, unit or identity matrix. So what is unit or identity matrix? In this matrix, diagonal elements, the all diagonal element should be 1, okay, and non-diagonal elements should be 0. Should be 0. So we are taking example of 3 by 3 order that diagonal elements, main diagonal elements is 1 and rest of the element that are non-diagonal element, they are 0. So this kind of matrix is known as unit or identity matrix, and we can represent this matrix by the symbol I. This matrix can be represented by the symbol I. This kind of matrix is having main diagonal elements are 1 and the rest of the element are 0. You can see. So the next one, that is diagonal matrix. Next one we are talking about diagonal. So now we are talking about second type of square matrix, that is diagonal matrix. Diagonal matrix shows a diagonal, right? So except diagonal elements all elements of the matrix should be 0. Should be 0. For example, we are taking a matrix of 3 by 3 order. Okay, 2, 3, 5. Rest of the element are 0. As you can see, except diagonal elements, all elements of the matrix should be 0. You can see this is a main diagonal. So these are called diagonal elements. So except diagonal elements, all elements of the matrix are 0. So this kind of matrix is known as diagonal matrix. Now you will say, sir, in the identity matrix, we can see that all the diagonal elements are 1, rest of the element was 0. And in this, these are not 1. They can be anything, right? They can be anything. So rest of the element should be 0 and the diagonal element can be anything. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, any number can be there. Okay. So now further we are talking about one more type of square matrix, that is scalar matrix. That is scalar matrix. So what is scalar matrix? As same, you can see except diagonal elements, all elements are 0, right? But in this, diagonal elements of the matrix should be equal. What? The diagonal elements of the matrix should be equal and non-diagonal elements should be 0. Okay? Diagonal elements of the matrix should be equal and non-diagonal elements should be 0. So for example, we are seeing we have taken the square matrix of 2 by 2 order 2, 0, 0, 2. In this you can see this is a main diagonal. So the diagonal elements of the matrix should be equal. You can see this is also 2, this is also 2 and rest of the element are 0. One more example. We are taking matrix of 3 by 3 order 5, 5, 5, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. In this also you can see this is a diagonal. So the main diagonal elements are equal and rest of the element are 0. So this kind of matrix is known as scalar matrix. So now we are talking about last type of square matrix, that is triangular matrix. Triangular matrix is of two types, lower triangular and upper triangular. This can be explained by the name that we are talking about triangular means triangle, right? So in this you can see this is our main diagonal and these are the elements which are above the main diagonal, right? So we can explain like this: if all the elements above the main diagonal are equal to 0, so we can say this is a lower triangular matrix. What we can say? If all the elements which are above side of the main diagonal are equal to 0, so we can say this is a lower triangular matrix. As same we can explain upper triangular. In this you can see that this is a diagonal. Okay, so in this main diagonal is there. These are the elements which are below the main diagonal. So all the elements which are below the main diagonal and they are equal to 0, so we can say this is a upper triangular matrix. Again I am going to explain you. All the elements below the main diagonal are equal to 0, so this kind of matrix can be known as upper triangular matrix. Okay, so now we are discussing more about matrix. This is the last one of the square matrix. Now more types of matrix are there. Row matrix. Row matrix can be explained just by the name that row means only one row. Row means one row. That means m should be equals to 1. What is m? We are knowing the number of rows is known as m. So if the number of rows in the matrix is equal to 1 and n shows the number of column, so it can be greater than or equal to 1. So you have to just learn, if the number of rows in the matrix is 1, so we can say it is a row matrix. Okay, for example, we are taking 5, 9, 6. In this you can see number of row is 1. Number of column 1, 2, 3. Okay, it doesn't matter. you have to just check that the number of row is 1, so we can say it is a row matrix. As same column matrix. Column matrix means one column. So number of column can be represented as n, so n should be is equals to 1 and n can be greater than or equal to 1. So if the matrix is having one column, it is known as column matrix. For example, we can see 2, 9, 6. The number of rows are 3, but the column is only 1. So this kind of matrix is known as column matrix. Now we are talking about null or zero matrix. Null or zero matrix means if all the elements of the matrix are equal to 0. If all the elements of the matrix are equal to 0, then we can say this kind of matrix is known as null matrix. And this null matrix can be represented as O. This null matrix can be represented as capital letter O. So now, if we are talking about all the elements, as I have told you in the previous video, the elemental representation of the matrix. In that, I have shown you that all the elements of the matrix can be represented by the symbol only Aij. So we can say if all the elements are equal to 0, that means we can say Aij should be equals to 0. This shows all the elements. So we can say if it is all the elements are equal to 0, so this kind of matrix is known as null or zero matrix. Okay, thank you.